Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Aaron and I like to make stuff out of junk because it stops my Call of Duty addiction. I received a package. Oh god, it's from Morrigans Creations. He's a painter and fellow scratch builder. Go check out his channel because this is a little build off that he decided that he wanted to do with me. So he sent me this package. Nice little badges there, sticky badges. What's this one? Oh my god! You know, he looks like Steve Wright. Now only my English viewers will get that reference. Hang on, I'll just drop a picture. He's an ex-Radio 2 disc jockey. Anyway, back to the build. So apart from pictures that I'll be using for the dartboard and some sticky badges, I got some foam, EVA foam, and this toy, which is a micro Star Wars toy. So let's open the box, see what we've got. Nice, Mandalorian with his speeder. Get in, look how tiny this is. Oh my god, I need my glasses just to look at this. And there's Baby Yoda right there. Okay, so I think it's time to start scratching the build and make a mini diorama for this bad boy. Okay, so I'm just going to get a little bit of offcut of XPS foam. That should do the trick, and then just more offcuts just to try and make a little building for the background. Nothing spectacular. Just a little visual interest for the background, really. So I'm just going to mess around and just see what fits. If I lose this Mandalorian right now, this diorama will not happen. So I'm just going to tuck him back into his speeder, just so he's safe and sound. So like a good Boy Scout, I'm just going to use the EVA foam just as the door, just cut up little panels and probably make a window as well, just like that. And then just keep adding little bits and bobs. That's a bit of plastic tubing and then some more EVA foam. Now this stuff, this is the asphalt paint, which has a little bit of a texture. I'm just going to keep painting until I get it like this. Wasn't happy with the end result, so I just used some flocking for the floor, and now this is quite literally, I'm going to teabag my diorama, and not the way you think I'm going to teabag the diorama, you weirdos. I'm just using that teabag just to give the grimy effect on the building. You just do it layer by layer by layer, and then once that's done, just paint the border and then add the Mandalorian. Didn't use the base, I just used a bit of metal piping, just cut it down to size, and job was done. On to the glamour shots. Like, subscribe, follow, and also don't forget to check out what Morrigans has done over on his channel. Short and sweet, under 5 minutes, no point in skipping. Keep scratching that build, everybody.